Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display system settings for internet, Wi-Fi, NFC as well as volume inside your React Native's app for new architecture, but this video is for Android only. So let's get started. So first I'll show you the output on what exactly I mean. So I'll just remove all this. Okay, and as you can see I have 4 buttons. If I click on show Wi-Fi, here you can see that it displays the system settings. I have just dismissed it. If I click on show volume, it will display the volume part, and if I click on show NFC, it will show the NFC part as well. And this is for internet again. So yeah, that's what we will be checking. Let's get started on how to do this. Firstly, it's like you should open this documentation because I will be copying a lot of code. We will be making use of turbo modules, so keep this documentation handy. So here, as you can see, I have created a React Native application, and the first, while following the documentation, is we will have to create a folder called RTN my settings, system settings, sorry. Then inside that I have created a package.json file. Now I have copied this from the documentation. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again, that name of the file is important, so it should be native followed by whatever is your folder name without the RTN. Next, again I have copy pasted everything from the documentation, but here I have defined 4 methods, one for each, like Wi-Fi, volume, NFC and internet. Also I have changed this particular name. Rest everything remains the same. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have firstly created build.gradle file. Again copied it from the docs. Only this version has been changed. Compile HDK is 34. This namespace has been changed, and here I have added Kotlin standard lib. Then inside src main Java I have created all these folders which has been specified in the docs. Firstly I have created my system settings package.kt. so this again copied it from docs. Only this package name has been changed, this name has been changed, and here I have written my system settings module everywhere. So I have changed this everywhere. Okay, then here I have created my system settings module.kt. so here again we have changed the package name. I have also added activity event listener because we need to start an activity. I'm listening for it over here. So all this system settings stuff only works on Android Q and above, so that's why I have added check everywhere. So if you want to display for Wi-Fi, you just have to create an intent for action Wi-Fi and then call context.start activity for result. Pass your intent, pass the code, and here this can be null. Similarly for volume as well, I have just changed the request code, and here I'm using action volume. Same for NFC, action NFC, change the request code. Same for internet connectivity, and I have changed the request code. Here we are passing the name of our folder, and here we are also overriding on activity result. So like I'm not really doing anything with the request code, but suppose if you want to track the results, you can use it over here, but I don't think it's really necessary. So if you want to write logic on what exactly needs to be done, if you are doing some kind of logic, you can do that. And here we are also overriding on new intent because we are extending this activity event listener. Once that is done, you will have to open your terminal, then go to the root of your React Native project. Before that, you can just search for new arc enabled, so it should be present inside gradle.properties, and you have to make this as true. Then again go to your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and firstly you will have to run this particular command. Then you will have to do cd ... it will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this command. But here you will have to replace rnapp with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp, so replace rnapp over here as well as over here, and this is our folder name. Once this command has been run, you will have to cd to this main Android folder which we have, and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for Android. And now to use it, you can import it something like this. So this is how I have imported, and I have just created 4 buttons, and on click of each of this button I'm just calling the appropriate method. So show Wi-Fi, show internet, show NFC, and show volume. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.